Yes, hello everyone. Uh, my name is Lukman, uh, and I'm here to take you through, give you an overview, a summary about explainable customer segmentation using K-means clustering. So, uh, basically, this is about customer segmentation using K-means clustering. K-means clustering. This is a method of unsupervised learning. Yeah, we want to use this method, or they use this method in explainable customer segmentation. Yeah, so or when we are now, we are going to the next slide by telling you the background of this project. Yeah, basically, when you are talking about this project, basically, uh, uh this is explainable customer segmentation as the title showed up there. So basically here, uh, we are using the unsupervised learning in this research to to thus clarify the method of customer segmentation is one of the most important aspects in the competitive business. Yeah, customer segmentation basically. The most common approach here for the customer segmentation is clustering. You're going to use clustering as our method here. So later on, you're going to see the problem addressing. We are not talking about the problem addressing. Basically, this is the problem which causes us to come up with a solution. The problem is how to group customers based on using this method. Yeah, uh, grouping them, classifying them uh, according to their age, location, income, education, and gender spending habit. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, basically, we are to build a model, found relation with the customer, and to identify their needs. Yeah, basically, that is it. To identify customer needs. That's how our project is going to be based on. Yeah. Then we're talking about the number of results. As we are using the method of clustering, so we see that the optimal number of using of applying this model is going to give us like uh is going to give us at least for the first data set the optimal number of, that's why we have searched up to 10 clusters. Yeah, basically that is it. After analyzing two graphs, yeah, of course, this kind of method we are going to use a graph to identify graph in the methodology. By using the methodology of this of this unsupervised learning, or basically the methodology is going to give us a small data set, 4 3 to 4, yeah, similarly. Yeah, basically, and 15 50 clusters. I mean, yeah. Methodology used in this kind of technology, or in this kind of method, in this kind of scenario, we are going to use two methods, which known the most popular method uh, used in K means clustered method. Yeah, basically we now have the elbow method. This approach is calculated within the sum of square. Yeah, because basically we are going to use a graph. So this one is going to that will just basically to calculate the optimal numbers of the clusters can be decided after analyzing the WSS. Yeah, this is WSS. This is within sum of square. Yeah, that is it. Then we are going to use the second method. It is silhouette analysis. Silhouette analysis, basically, this we are going to calculate the silhouette score every data point for each k value. Its coefficient value determined basically about this one is basically about the I want to the one in the graph the value of k which gives the maximum silhouette score value is considered as the optimal value. Yeah, basically that is it. Yeah. Later on, we are going to see the main conclusion. In this paper, we use this method of supervised learning as we mentioned before that to implement the customer segmentation with the use of yeah, this kind of algorithm. And we shall use this for more for professional way by using the robust explainable approach for unsupervised learning. Yeah, and to make it and to make the cluster assignment more interruptible and decision. Because when we have to look our project or our paper, there we use graphs. Yeah, those graphs they are just basically to show us the method how we use the method of the elbow and the silhouette. We use those kind of method, and even you can see that in that paper we use the box plot to show how the maximum and the minimum how accurate the model is going to work on. Yeah, is going to be basically that is it. Then we are going to see the limitation and future direction of the research. Basically, the limitation, let me tell you here. Basically, we are going to see the advantages and the disadvantages of this kind of scenario. Yeah, not to such data you need to generate key means of discrete. Yeah, this is basically we know as advantages section clustering outline. And a future decision clustering algorithm can be experimented on different data sets to obtain more satisfactory result. Yeah, as it is accurate and very fast method of unsupervised learning to use. Yeah. Then we are going to proceed in our next slide by seeing the codes. Basically, when we are to deal with the method of clustering, so basically to be focused and all the need to write stories and feeling. Yeah, you have basically to write to make sure that your model is kinda accurate and faster. Yeah, that is it. Then the next slide, which is our last slide, is basically the onto references. They are there. Yeah, you can access them in the paper. Our conference paper, which is basically explainable or explainable customer segmentation using K-means clustering. That is it basically about our paper. So thank you for watching. See you to the next video, and never forget to never forget to subscribe our channel because we're going to see in the next more interested parts, yeah, our project. Yeah, that is it. So thank you for